Hello friends, welcome to Studyzones. In this video, I am going to discuss sitting arrangement problems with you. A quick way to solve these questions in just few seconds with proper concept and practice. Sitting arrangement problems are present in all exams like banking, CAT, SAT, MAT and many other exams. Let's start. Sitting arrangement problems are of two types: linear arrangement and circular arrangement. Linear arrangement is further divided into two parts: one row sequence and two row sequence. And there are some basic key points regarding these types of questions that have to be kept in mind while solving the question. First of all, take the glimpse of the question just to get an idea of the situation stated in the question. And then there are few types of statements that are given in the question that we have to study carefully while solving the question. Now, definite statements, they provide very correct information in a very straightforward manner. For example, A is sitting on the right end of the bench. The position of A is 120% confirmed. Then comparative statements. This shows a comparison of one person with another. Example, A is sitting second to the right of E. This can be very useful when we have definite information about E. Then last one is negative information. This type of information does not tell us anything definitely but helps to eliminate a possibility. For example, C is not sitting on the immediate left of A. And the most important thing is the directions. We have to keep the directions in mind when we are solving the setting arrangement questions. Now, one row sequence and linear arrangement. In this, we have to arrange given number of persons in a single row. Direction plays a very important role in this type of questions. Look in the question for statement like facing north, like this, facing north and facing south. This direction is the key to our quick solution. If the direction is given facing north, then take yourself as the base and mark your left as the left side of the row and your right as the right side of the row. Now see, what I just said is this is the row and the persons are sitting like this on these positions. Now we have to, and they are facing north direction. North direction. They are facing the north direction. Now we can assume the left end of the row as our left side. This is left and this is right. Now if the persons are facing south direction, then the case is just opposite. Our left becomes right and our right becomes left, and we accordingly solve the question. Now let us see the position of A with respect to B. Suppose A is sitting second to the right of B. A is sitting second to the right of B. Now this is A and A is sitting second to the right of B when they are facing in the north directions, and when they are facing in the south direction, A is sitting second to the right of B. Now you can see the difference between these two directions. This will help you in solving these questions. Now next is now two row sequence. Just consider two rows parallel to each other like this. These are two rows parallel to each other, and the direction rules are same as in one row sequence. Now in this, let us consider two rows facing each other. Two rows and persons are sitting and they are facing each other. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now these, when they are facing each other, this row person should be facing south and the person sitting in this row must be facing north. So the direction is accordingly, this becomes right, this becomes left, and this one becomes left, and this becomes right. And then we can solve the questions accordingly. Now the question is will be having statements like A is sitting diagonally opposite to F. Diagonally opposite to F. Then you can see that A is sitting diagonally opposite to F. B is sitting opposite to B, like this. Now circular arrangement. These are the most frequent asked and are easiest to solve questions. Question depends upon reading the directions carefully and making arrangements accordingly. Direction here also plays a very important role. Now let us consider case 1 when the people sitting, 8 people are sitting in a circular manner and all are facing towards the center. All are facing towards the center. Now then the left direction will be in the clockwise direction and the right direction will be in the anti-clockwise direction. This is left in clockwise direction and right will be in anti-clockwise direction. Case 2 is when the persons sitting in a circular manner are facing outside the circle, means that they all are facing outside the circle. Then the case reverse the case reverses and the left becomes right and right becomes left, means when we are going in clockwise direction then it is right movement, and when we are going in anti-clockwise direction then this is left movement. Now let us consider an example. A is sitting second to the left of C. Now in case 1 when all are facing towards the center, then this will be A is sitting second to the left of C, and in case 2 when all are facing outside the circle, see, now then A is sitting second to the left of C. Now you can see the difference between the positions of A and C respectively. These are the two cases which are very frequently asked in the examination. Thank you. In the next video, I will solve some sample questions related to these topics for you. Please subscribe to my channel and share. Good luck here for examination from Studyzones.